Happy New Year, everyone! So we are kicking off 2019 with this super easy Pho Chay recipe, and that is basically Vietnamese for vegetarian noodles. And there's a couple of ingredients involved, but essentially you throw it all in to make the broth, and it only takes about 30 minutes to prepare. And afterwards, we've topped it off with some tofu puffs and mushrooms, and it's just so delicious and really clean and healthy tasting as well. So I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so in here I am putting an apple that I've quartered, some scallions, some carrots, and this is a vegetable broth, and it is a sweet vegetable broth. So feel free to add things like corn, or I've also seen pear as well. And I'm adding 4 cups of water to that, and then bringing it to a boil, and then lowering it down to simmer. I know y'all are wondering, how long do we simmer for? Well, long enough to roast the spices that I've put to the side in a 350-degree oven for right around 10 minutes, so that the spices have a chance to toast up and get all nice and aromatic. And then you're gonna put the spices in, bring this guy back up to a boil, and then simmer it for 30 minutes. I'm just adjusting for final flavorings with a little bit of salt, some soy sauce, and then also just a pinch of sugar. So you just kind of salt it to the way that you like before I add in my toppings. So I was a little bit lazy here. I put the mushrooms and the tofu puffs that I've actually pre-boiled right into the soup stock, but you can also just cook that separately, maybe in a little bit of salt water to give it some flavor, and then you are all done. Okay, I lied. Stick some sliced carrots in there if you're into that sort of thing. And I only cooked this for about another minute because I wanted the carrots to be nice and crunchy before I put these over the rice noodles. This dish is just so comforting and light and clean, and even though we put in a lot of the spices, it's not really that strong, and it's just a really lovely broth. Anyways, I hope you all had a lovely new year, and I hope you guys enjoyed this first recipe. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again real soon, okay? Bye!